What's going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. Today we're working on a GMC Denali with a 6-liter Vortec motor, and we got a high flow purge code number
P0496.
Most commonly that's going to be a purge valve. I'm going to show you how to change that. Looks like this, and there'll be links down below in the description to get the parts. If this video helps you out, be sure to give it a like. Tools you're going to need are an 8mm and an extension on a ratchet. First thing we're going to do is remove this top cover. There's a bolt there and it just lifts off. And right here is the purge valve. We're going to squeeze the tabs over on this vapor line here, and that's just going to lift right off. Then we're going to pull the tab up here on this electrical connector, and that'll lift right off. And then there's another 8mm bolt right there. Then it's just going to pull right out. If you blow through this or apply vacuum to it, air shouldn't flow through it unless 12 volts is applied here. So that's how you can test this and know if it's bad. If you got a vacuum pump here, you can also just use your mouth for holding the bottom, sealing it. As soon as we let go, it loses vacuum, so we know this is bad. Pull the mount off of the old one. I'm gonna clean that off. And it looks a little bit different, but inside the package it said that's normal. So we're just gonna wipe off this rubber thing. And hook it on there, like so. Slide it back in, tighten up that 8mm bolt. Hopefully soon.
Hopefully you figure it out.
There we go. Slide the top back on. These two indentations are going to lock into those things back there, and then it's going to swing down and tighten that bolt back up. And that's it. High five, you did it.